Alright, hello. Sorry I had some technical difficulties there. Just going to continue on from the bottom of perimeter. So the next one that we're going to do is the volume of a sphere with the radius x. So we want the function to return a double, and we'll call it volume sphere. And we want to enter double x. And then, so we want volume, we want to initialize volume, double volume. And then we'll do volume equals, so the area for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi r cubed. And since our r is x, we're going to start with pow of x comma 3. So that's power x to the third. And then next we're going to multiply that by pi. And then we're going to multiply that by 4 divided by 3. There we go. And we want it to return volume. So there we go. That should give us. So let's copy this one. But we need to change it to volume of a sphere. And then we'll call up the function volume sphere with x. And we'll check and make sure that works. There we go. That's right. I tested that one a little earlier, and that is what it is. So now the surface area of a sphere with radius x. So I want to call this one, we want to initialize it as we want to return a double. And then we want, I'll just call it SA sphere for surface area of a sphere. And then double x is what we want to enter into it. And we want SA, we want to initialize SA for surface area. And the formula for surface area, I'm not sure what that is, so what I'm going to do is look it up on Google. That's always a great place to go if you don't know formulas. So we'll type in formula for surface area of a sphere using radius. There we go. And there we go. The area, the formula is 4 pi r squared. So it pops up immediately. Now we'll go back to our programming. So it is 4 times pi times, and then we'll use the pow function, pow x comma 2. So there we go. That is the surface area of a sphere. And then copy this one. And then we'll enter in, call up the function SA sphere. And we'll test it. I forgot a semicolon up here, but it told us what was wrong. So, and then I'll make sure that works. I'll test it out on my calculator. So let's see. 4 times 3.14. Now that times 5.75 times 5.75. 415.265. There you go. That is also the end of the surface area of a sphere, and that is the end of our program. So now you know how to write, you know how to make global variables with x and pi, and then local variables, inside each of the functions, like area here. So area only in this first function here, area equals pi times x squared, and then and then down here, since x was a global variable, we were able to enter it into each of these little each of the main function down here, we were able to enter x into there, and it knew what x was since it was a constant global variable. It applies to all of the functions, including the main. And then so we just used cout to display all of these on the screen, and that's it. There's your function. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.